Well, I'm back in Utah. Super cold. Snows outside. But I got invited to a drift event at Grange this weekend, which is Saturday and today's Thursday. My car is pretty much ready to go, but I have a few things I wanted to change. I just bought this thing from PBM. I have PBM coil, but the Pro version of the bottom of the coil has the adjustable slotted and has a couple different spacer, allows you to change, which is how the coil mounts, but different geometry and with the drift angle stuff. So here I got 240 already jacked up. I got new tie rod from PBN too. Inner tie rod is a little gone. Changing this piece, just changing out the inner tie rod and the bottom of the coil. The reason why I'm changing this is Martin told me to make the strut as parallel as possible to the wheel. Car is loaded or ready to go. Underglow kills it. Makes it easy to load. Bobby and Chris helping me. Thank you guys. Got Daniel. Yeah. We got everyone here. Bobby. Yeah. Bobby. Daniel. Chris. Alright. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, I'm tired. It's like halfway. What's up?
Right here.
Chris got it.
I'll take over. Should we just pull up right here?
Yeah, we'll just pull up. Get up to stopping speed.
Stopping speed.
And
I think you need to slow down.
alright. Hit the wheel.
Hurry up. We're stopping driver. Bam.
We stopped. Find Robbie. Hey sir, you're at wrong place.
Is this the Honda meet? I just got my VTEC hooked up.
Yeah.
I just got my VTEC, dude. Dude, I'm out here. I feel like freaking Kim Block out here, dude. Freaking shredding.
What do you say?
Follow me.
go. Start with the front.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! I gotta get 2 in a row, dog.
All right.
Oh, right over here.
Okay,
Extend this shit.
There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump. Let's go.
I got 2. It counts. I got 2. Oh my god, I hurt my grip.
Hey, what is this? Yeah, what is that?
Underglow.
Underno, my bumper went away.
Sticker bombing Abe's Coupe. This is gonna be the OG sticker, bro, since new one's coming in, so I'm never gonna make this one ever again. Boom.
Last one.
You got no time now. Mitch got one too? Yeah, he got
You
no
already know,
time.
dog.
He got no time now.
I got no time. I got stuff to fix.
Alright, peace out. Are you kidding me? How did wheel come out? How did my wheel come out? I think it's still okay.
No, the threads are fine. You just need lug nuts, which we're gonna go steal from that car over there.
I'm gonna see if there's any good tires I can salvage.
Pretty sad. Sad boy.
Yeah, Kota wanted tandem with you.
Little Randy for the rescue. Yes. All my aluminum lug nut stripped off. And I was in need of lug nuts. I know. Daniel's first time drift event.
Yeah,
What do you think?
it's super sick. So fun.
You gotta be hooked for life. We got pig crew over here.
Back here like a caveman with a freaking crossbar. Dang, man.
Alright, that's a wrap. Car's in somewhat peace. Alright, ready to head home. Yee. Bye. Alright, drive safe. Yeah.
Alright, y'all.
Bye. Sorry everyone, I didn't upload anything this month. I ran out of time, as you can see. But the sticker we've been working on is now available. The Justin from JDM Eagle designed it for me. I'm so stoked. Hopefully you guys like it too. To purchase, DM on Instagram at Kota Merchandise. I'll put it in the description. Run it up. Thanks for the support.